Morning, students. In this video, you will know how to merge the main document with the data source. In the previous video, you understood how to create your data source, but this video will tell you how to merge your main document, yes, with the data source. Okay, so first of all, I will go to OpenOffice. Now, here I have to open my main document. So I will click on file. Okay, there I will go on open. Actually, my file main document is saved on the desktop. You can see here. Now this file has come, yes, in writer. Now keep your cursor where you are going to have those two fields. Okay, so I have kept my cursor after two. Now I will go to tools, then I will choose mail merge wizard. Okay, here you can see many options. Use the current document, create a new document, start from existing document, start from a template. I will choose my current document because already my document is open and having a letter. Okay, so I will click on next. Okay, here it is my letter, so I will go for the later one. Now students, here you can see it is just asking you, okay, to select the different address list. See, here you see, if you are not satisfied, no, that one, yes, the database which I have selected, yes, that is not good for me. I will go for the other one. If you have created that, you can select it, but I'm satisfied with this one, so I'm not going to touch this. Okay, now here it is asking that document must contain an address block. In which way? So for that you must click on more. Okay, I want here my own, yes, way, yes, to have my blocks. So for that, click on new. Now, here what you want for name. Okay. Now, I will go and click the right arrow key. Next one is the address line one. This arrow key I will use. But I want this second field to be shifted down. So I will go to down arrow. Now, you can see the information. It is showing here. Okay, now click on OK button. Now then OK. Okay, now here it is asking to match the field. We have name and address. So name will be stored in for name and address will be stored in, yes, address one. Okay, so I will click on match field. Now here you can see for name, yes, that will be with name. Address line one, that will be with the address. Okay, now then you will click on next. Okay, yeah, no need to go for the salutation. Okay, click on next. Now it is showing that where you want to have your address block. You see, you want to save it, you can see, but I'm satisfied here. Okay, this you can see, my dear, the block, the rectangular box it is showing where you want to place it. As per that you can shift it. Okay, now I'm quite happy with this. Next. Okay, now here if you want to edit your document, then you can go for edit document wherever you want to have the changing. Okay, yeah, it is no, yes, this should be little bit up, little bit here. Okay, wherever you want. Once you are satisfied, then click on this button. Okay, return to mail merge, so that you can go to the previous, yes, dialog box. Okay, now here you click on next. Okay, now my work has been completed, my dear. It has already been merged. You can see here, just I'm dragging my dialog box here, you can see, is it showing? Now My next step that will be, yes, to save it. So you click on next. Now you want to save the starting document. If yes, then click on that one. Okay. But I want to save this merge document. Okay. Then you click on save merge document. But here you will be given the choices that page one only you want, page two, but I want all. Then I will go from 1 to 3. Okay, it is okay. All the addresses, that is first one, second one, third one, that I have linked with the main document, all I want to store in my, yes, document, merge document. So click on save document. Now it is asking the name that you can give it, but I don't want, I should overwrite it. Then click on save starting document, save starting document, and then finally click on finish. Now you will see the document which I have created there. It is showing my data source. First one, Rohit, and this address. Now you go down, you will be having the second address, that is Sony, and this one is the address. And the third one, that is the last one, that I have given the name as Rajesh and address this one. Okay. So I hope you have understood these all topics very nicely. Thank you, my dear.